how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Remember I told you it was my birthday today? You guys are watching this like November something, you know? But it was my birthday, October 27th, which is when I'm filming this. My friend bought me a Wright Standard B for my birthday. Isn't that badass? Oh, I gotta show you. So here it is, a Wright Standard B. A B is less than a Wright Standard I. A B is a 32-inch deck. It's made for residential homes because 32, you can get through the gates really easily, which is what I want. It's not brand new. He bought it secondhand, but still, really nice guy, good friend of mine. He says, you know what? I did a couple of auctions and he got a bunch of these. And so he didn't know that I had a YouTube channel. And then once he found out, he goes, hey, I saw in one of your videos that you really liked the Wright Standards, but you were too cheap to buy one. And I says, you got that right, baby. And so he, one of his guys just came by and delivered it to me. Isn't this gorgeous? Oh my God, I'm so stoked because I always wanted one of these things. This could be the best birthday gift I ever got. Short of a car, of course, you know. Come on! What friend is gonna give you a Wright Standard?
How you guys doing?
Yeah, it's my buddy Mike. He bought a Wright Standard for his business, and he's had it for a little while. This is the first opportunity he came by to show it to me. He actually drove half an hour out of his way just to bring it to me, to show it to me. And listen, I seriously have always wanted that thing. You mind telling them how much you paid? You don't want to tell them.
I don't care. 8,300.
8,300. It had 9 minutes on it when he got it. He got it from his friend. People say that the Wright Standard B may have problems with it. He hasn't had any problems with it yet. But you know a guy that works on this stuff, don't you?
Yeah.
You could probably get it fixed for free. But although I've honestly never worked on this thing before, I've actually never even ridden this thing before.
Real simple. So, turn the key.
Oh wait, tell me what to do first before
no, I'm not gonna start it.
Okay,
so
you turn the key on, so it's on.
Yeah, so you gotta have the parking brake on to start it. So that's already on.
It's on. Yeah. So how do you take it off?
You just push down. Okay. So you start it, put the parking brake down, and then you can pick a height wheel.
Well,
whatever you.
I don't want to scalp it for the first time. I just want to see what happens.
75.
So it's got a grass bagger on the side. In your experience, if I do this whole on, will it fill up? Like, does it fill up
pretty quick?
Yeah.
It's small.
Right.
It's
So
small.
like what? You think 1 pass, 2 passes?
Yeah, probably 3.
3 passes?
Yeah.
3 lengths, and this will be full?
Yep.
Okay. You know, it doesn't really matter because I really kind of, I mean, this thing should mulch up the leaves really quickly in finely minced pieces, so it's actually good for the lawn, you know what I mean? You mulch, right?
Yep.
All right, so look, it has 4 handles, it looks like, but it looks like it's just this, right?
Yeah, it's like a video game.
And then if you do this, it's the same thing as doing that, right?
So if you want to go left, you go right. If you want to go right, you got to go left.
And this is the throttle.
That's the throttle.
It's the choke. This is the PTO for the blades.
Yep.
Okay, I mean,
pretty simple.
kind of like mine. So, can I start?
Yeah, you can start. I'm not going to put on the blades yet. I'm just going to pull the circle for a second.
When I was going though, I looked back real quick and I saw that it really wasn't sucking up the leaves very well because I'm thinking it's full. Oh, it's packed. So here, show me how to, I don't want to break anything.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, just lift it.
Yep.
Lift up and pull down. Dude, this is heavy. Awesome. Oh my God. What an experience for me. It was so easy to change. If it was so easy to unbag for everything, man.
Yeah.
Right?
Yep. Great.
I'm gonna do a time lapse real quick. So we decided we're just gonna try and mulch it instead. I'm gonna put you on time lapse. Holy cow. Look at that. Look at he's split in no time. Best part of it is you don't even have to bag it. I was going this way and then that way, and then I realized that it's spitting out the side. So to get rid of all the leaves onto the street, you almost have to go like this, and then when you go back again, you go in the same direction, blowing it that way onto the street, see? When you blow it onto the street, it's easier to pick up. But I'm not gonna pick it up. I'm just gonna wait for the wind to come. It always blows down that way to the end of the block. So that way I don't have to bag. But this is incredible. Look at my lawn, guys. Do you remember the way my lawn used to look? There's like mud patches all over the place. Oh man, I am super jelly. Are you guys jelly? I'm jelly. Now look, would I spend $8 grand on this thing though? I probably wouldn't. But would I go buy one used for like maybe $3 grand? Maybe. This is badass. I'll get you closer now. So it's a Kawasaki engine, FS600V, 18.5 horsepower, V-twin, of course. Look at the size of that gas tank. Hey, Mike.
Yeah.
There's a small little receptacle.
The hydraulic oil.
Oh.
There's two on each side.
Oh, one for each pump, right? I see. What kind of oil do you put in there? Do you know? Have you ever put it in there before?
Yeah, I just switched it out.
Do you remember what kind it is? I wonder how you put the Earl in.
Hydro gear.
Hydro Gear genuine transaxle oil. Shit, I don't even have that. I was gonna say I was gonna give you some, but I don't think I have any of that.
Yeah, no, this stuff.
So Mike puts Kawasaki oil in here. He was only gonna put that in there. He also puts in the hydro fluid for the pumps, which it didn't say any SAE reading on it, but I'm pretty sure that 30 weight would work for summer machines, 5W30 for winter, but honestly, you're not going to use this when it's below 32 degrees.
Maybe. Put a plow on it.
Oh, there's an idea.
They do make them now.
So his pre-filter, it always gets like covered and shit, and he's got to like clean it out and stuff. But if it starts getting sluggish, right,
yeah.
this pre-filter is done. And honestly, you could just rip the pre-filter out and forget about it.
Yeah.
Because the pre-filter is just saving it the inner one from being dirty, you know? And if you have an air compressor, just blow that shit out.
Yeah.
Damn, it got dark fast, huh?
Yeah.
But this is his Wright Standard B. Mike, thanks a lot for bringing it to me to show me, man.
No problem.
And thanks for letting me use it. Look at this. My neighbor Steve, he just drove by and he goes, "What the fuck? Did you get another machine?" And so he was watching me mow my lawn. And he was like, "Unbelievable. Can you come do mine?" You know? And it's gotten so dark. That was a really good experience for me. My learning curve was very easy because it's similar to my zero turn. So once I got on it, I knew exactly what I was doing. So it looks intimidating and complicated with all the controls, but honestly, the back handle here and this handle here is the same handle. You know, you just grab the front ones if you want to go in reverse. It's easier. If you want to go forward, you use the back ones. But look, it's the same one. You move this, that moves too. This middle part here is just a bar that you use to grab, you know? So there's really nothing to it. A throttle, an electric PTO. Here, in case you guys have never done it. This is the choke. You pull it up for a cold start. Your throttle, rabbit and turtle, forward and reverse, right, on these things here. So going forward, I do this. But then when you want to go reverse, it's hard to push with your thumb like that. So you just grab that and go backwards, see? Electric PTO, like a lot of tractors, and your switch, you know? And this has 98 hours on it. This is the lower and the height adjustment for the deck. You saw me using the chute. It was super easy to take on and off. Here's the battery compartment, obviously. And this is like a parking brake. It has to be down for it to be able to go. Also, it has like this pressure plate here. When you step on it, it's like a safety switch. If you're not stepping on it, it won't start. And if you fall off, it'll shut off the machine by itself, right?
Yep.
Badass. It's so dark, man. Mike, thanks a lot for bringing it to me to check out. And not only am I jealous, but I'm sure some of my subscribers are jealous too. But look what it did to my lawn. And it was like, what, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Seriously, man. Okay, so I do 3, 2, 1. We both say, you guys next time. 3, 2, 1. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Awesome. Perfect. That was awesome, bro. See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.